Hi friends, today's exercise is 1.2. Question number 1. Express each number as a product of its prime factors. Question first one. 140. 140. 2 sevens are 70s are 2 threes are 6. 1 35s are 5 sevens are 7 ones are. So here we will write 140 is equals to 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. 2 square into 5 into 7. So is this sum? Most of us don't know. Fifth sum is sum. Last sum I know. 7, 4, 2, 9. By seeing these numbers we can say that it might go in 7, 11 and 9, 19, so on. Like that odd numbers. We can guess some numbers. So I will think 19, 7, 4, 2, 9 divided by 19. 19 fours are 76. So 19. So friends, we did it. 7, 4, 2, 9 means 1931. 391s are. So now we can write that 7, 4, 2, 9. Here 19, 3, 9, 1. Now I think we need to take 17 here. So friends, now 19, 3, 91s are this much. So 17, 23s are. Now 23 it goes in 1. So is equals to 19 into 17 into 23. And rest of the sums you should do it by year. Now second question. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers. Verify that LCM into HCF is equals to product of the two numbers. First one, 26 and 91. 26. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. 13 ones are. And 91. 13 sevens are 91. 7 ones are. So we can write it. 26 is equals to 2 into 13. 91 is equals to 7 into 13. So we know that HCF is equals to 13. LCM is equals to, see, this is the numbers. We need to write only once this. 2 into 7 into 13. We need to write only 113 here. 2 sevens are 14. 14 into 13. 14 into 13. 12. 4 into 14. 182 is equals to 182. And he also said us to verify. We need to verify that LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers. We got the LCM 182 into HCF 13 is equals to product of two numbers. These are the numbers 26 and 91. So here we will not work. 182 into 13. So I got here 2366. So we should write here 2366 equals to 26 into 91. 26, 54, 6, 2, 3. So 2, 3, 6, 6. Completed. Now in this way You can do other sums also. So I'm explaining in this last one, third one. 3, 3, 6 and 54. 3, 3, 6. 2 double. 2 ones are 2 6 are 12. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 3 7s are 7 1s are 54. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. So we need to write here 3 3 6 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So here also 54 is equals to, I'll start it from here. 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 because 2 3 3 3. I didn't wrote here because we need to circle this. Find the HCF. HCF is equals to 2 3s are 6. That is 2 into 3. LCM we need to do. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4 into 2 2s are 4 into 7 3s are 21 into 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16 into 21 into 9. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 189. To 189 into 16. So friends, by multiplying this I got number 3024. So we need to cross check. So I'm erasing it. HCF into LCM is equals to product of two numbers. HCF into LCM. HCF is 6. 6 into LCM 3024. 3024 is equals to 336 into 54. 3024 into 6. So friends, 3024 into 6 is equals to 1810. So I am writing here 18144 is equals to, here also the same, 18144. So hence prove. The middle sum you need to do it by your own at home and keep it in the comment section, the answer. Now third question, he gave 3 digits here. Find the LCM and HCF of the following by applying the prime factorization method. He asked us to just find the LCM and HCF. First one is 12, 15 and 21. So 12. 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are, 15. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 21, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are. So 12 is equals to 2 into 3. 15 is equals to 3 into 5. 21 is equals to 3 into 7. Now we need to find the common, right? So I'll erase this 3 here, both 3's, and I write here, so that we can get the common HCF is equals to 3. You can see 3 is here, here and here. So 3. LCM now. LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. 2 2s are 4 into 5 3s are 15 into 7 is equals to. So 4 into 15 7s are 105. 105 into 4 is 420. This is the LCM. Therefore, HCF is equals to 3. LCM is equals to 420. That's it. Fourth sum. Fourth sum is very important and it is very easy. Fourth question is, given that the HCF, he gave HCF of two numbers is 9. Find the LCM of the two numbers. We know that HCF into LCM is equals to product of two numbers. HCF he gave how much? 9. LCM he didn't give it, so I write it LCM. Product of two numbers. 306 into 657. So LCM is equals to 306 into 657 by 9. So 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 0, 2. 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 12. 3 4. 7. So here we multiplied 657 into 34 is equals to 22338. So this is the required LCM. I am going to next question. Fifth one. Check whether 6n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. So we need to write, if we need to get end digit 0, the prime factorization must have 2 into 5 in 6. N is equals to 2 into 3 n. So it is not in the prime factorization of 2 into 5. So it will not end with digit 0. Chapter 1, exercise 1.2, we were doing 6th question. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13, and he gave 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now here plus 5. So we need to prove them they are composite. Composite means having more than 2 multiples. So in this 13 is there, so you keep 13 common. 7 into 11 into 1 plus 1 because common. 13, 7 sevens are 7 11s are 77 into 1 plus 1, 13, 78. We need to take the prime factorization. 78, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18. 39 ones are. So here 13 into 2 into 39. So having more than 2 multiples. So it is a composite number. Here we need to take common 5 because 2 are there. 5. 7 into 6 into 1 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1. 5 into 7 6 are 42 into 4 3s are 12 into 2 1s are 2 plus 1. 5 into 42 into 24 plus 1. 5 into 1008 plus 1. 5 into 1009. So here 109. 5 into 1009 into 1009 into 1. So having more than 2 numbers, it is a composite number. It is question number 6. Now we will move to 7. He gave there is a circular path around the sports field. There is a circular path around the sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes. Here Sonia takes 8 minutes one round of the field while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point at the same time. Say they both start here. Sonia takes 18 minutes whereas Ravi takes 12 minutes and go in the same direction. After how many minutes they will meet again at the starting point? How many minutes they will meet at the starting point? Let me draw it here. Sonia 18 minutes, Ravi 12 minutes. So I need to write Sonia how many minutes? 18 minutes. Ravi 12 minutes. Now find factorization for 18. 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are for 12. 2 6 are 12, 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are. Now we'll write prime factorization of 18 and 12 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3, 2 into 3 into 2 is equals to 2 square into 3 square is equals to 2 2s are 4 into 3 3s are 9 is equals to 36 minutes. After 36 minutes they will meet again. So I will show you here. 18 plus 18. 36 means she'll take 2 rounds. Here 12 minutes. 12 plus 12. 24 plus 12. 36. So Sonia will make 2 rounds and he will make 3 rounds. This is extra information. If you want, you can write it. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.